Hey, second grade, it's your favorite art teacher, Miss Eworth. And we're going to start some artwork all about design. When I say design, what I mean is how shapes and lines and colors work together in artworks. So today, we're actually going to travel to a different part of the world and study one of their ideas. In Japan, there is an idea called Notan or Notan. And that is an art idea about how dark and light work together in an artwork, how dark and light balance each other out. This is often done or created with paper cutouts. And so when we're finished, your artwork might look something like this. And I'm going to show you how to make a Notan cut paper design today. So this is what I need. 2 pieces of paper, scissors, glue if you have it. If you don't, just make it like a puzzle and take a picture. Click or click. And some crayons. You could use oil pastels or even paint if you have it. Step number 1, I'm going to take one of the papers and fold it into quarters. That's 4 equal pieces. That's math! So I folded it in half, and then I'm just going to fold that in half again. Get a good edge. This is called creasing a paper when you really squish the edges. 4 equal sides. It's math! 4 equal shapes, sorry. I'm going to cut one of those out. Those strange noises in the background is my dog chewing a tennis ball. Okay, so I need 1/4, 1/4 of the paper. And I'm going to choose a dark crayon. I choose blue violet. And I already broke mine while I was getting ready for our video. That's A-okay today. And I'm going to press really hard and color both sides of the paper. Are you ready? Here I go. Ta-da! It's done! Okay. Now, what I'm going to do next is cut one shape from each edge. And I don't want to go all the way to the corners, so I'm going to cut a shape here, and here, and here, and up from the top. The more simple your cutouts are, the more simple your design will be, which means the more complicated your cutouts, the more complicated the design will be. And either is okay. Scissors. This shape looks like a duck. Now, don't throw these away. There's no scraps, everything we're going to use. Here we go. Let me cut here. That's my second shape. And look, they fit together. There's another art idea happening where we have something called a positive shape and a negative shape, which is the shape you see in the cutout. Okay, 2 more. So how many shapes do I have all together? I've got like a wave and a little duck and a little boat and a shark fin. So I have 4 shapes, but actually I have 5 because the background is also the shape. See it? It's got edges. It's got a center. It's a shape. Okay, Now I'm going to put it together. I'm going to take the square rectangle that I started with, and I'm going to glue that right in the middle. And because there's crayon on both sides, I'm just going to need to use a little bit of extra glue to sort of stick it down. If you don't have glue, that's a-okay. Just build it like a puzzle and take a picture of it. And I'm going to see, I don't know if you can see me do this. We'll try. So I'm going to glue this in the middle, right like that. And I want equal room on my 4 sides because that's where my shapes are going to go. Here's a little coloring suggestion. When you're coloring your rectangle, use the rest of the paper as like a placemat so you don't get crayon all over the table, especially when you flip it over and color the back really hard. Okay, let's fold my little laptop down. Here we go. Then I'm going to match up the shapes. I'm not gluing them in yet. I'm just sort of putting them back to be the puzzle because this is going to help me glue the right way. Okay, I need this shape to flip out this way. Here's my line of symmetry. It's another math idea. So I'm going to put glue on it when it's in the box. So I put glue on the right side. Flip it, stick it, and there we go. Again, with the shape in the rectangle, it's going to help me put glue on the correct side. Where's this one? Oh, it's hiding. Here we go. One more. I got a little confused there. Remember, I want to just flip it right over this edge line, which becomes my line of symmetry. There we go. When you're all finished, take a picture, send it to me. I love seeing your artwork, and have a great day.